triple O is kind of weird. I'm gonna go back and check that. That kind of looked weird. But yeah, let's listen to mods. Bit hollow, yeah, that's something that ME users have reported, that it is a bit hollow. That's why you can change all these different things to kind of adjust it to how you want it. But there's a lot you can do to customize this board, but I think general consensus is that is a bit hollow. Alright, as a former sound engineer, you approve? Thanks. Which play would you recommend for deep, thocky sound? I think it depends on the board. It also depends on the switches. Yeah. It's kind of like a very generalized question, so it's kind of hard to answer. But maybe chat can have a more precise answer for you, but for me, I think it really depends. Alright, so let's talk about this. Also, I have no idea what that says. Good night, Ikizaki. Thanks for hanging out for so long. I know it's very late. Good night. Alright, so let's look at this board. So, this is a very heavy board. It is very heavy. So we can weigh it. Also, Sean, I'm glad you've embraced the monkey type test. This board is 6 pounds, 5.6 ounces. It's a hefty one. I'm glad. That's a healthy baby. True. That is one way to look at it.